Hey, so if you want to create a compelling pitch deck using Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you through everything step by step so your presentation grabs attention and clearly communicates your idea. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once inside, create a new presentation or open an existing one to start building your pitch deck. Start with a strong title slide. Add your company or project name, tagline, and your name or role. This sets a professional first impression. Next, add a problem slide. Explain the problem your product or service solves. Keep text short and relatable so viewers immediately understand the issue. Then introduce your solution. Use one or two slides to showcase your product or service. Focus on benefits and outcomes rather than just features. Visuals like images or mock-ups help communicate your idea faster. Add a market opportunity slide. Highlight key statistics, target audience, and growth potential. Use charts or simple graphs to make this easy to understand. Include a business model or revenue slide. Show how your product generates value. Use bullet points or diagrams for clarity. Add a traction or milestone slide. Highlight achievements, key partnerships, or metrics to show progress and credibility. Finish with a team slide and a call to action slide. Introduce key members with names, roles, and photos, and tell viewers what next steps to take: invest, partner, or connect. Use consistent fonts, colors, and layouts. Master slides can help maintain a clean, professional style across the deck. Before presenting, review slides in presentation mode. Check alignment, readability, and flow. Google Slides automatically saves your work in Drive, so nothing is lost. And that's it. By structuring your pitch deck clearly, using visuals wisely, and keeping design consistent, you can create a professional, engaging presentation in Google Slides. If this helped, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.